Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a CLI node using Mintair. So let's go together. So as you can see, here is the Mintair website. Here is the interface of it. So the first thing you need to do is to authorize your wallet. Like me, I'm using Bitget with 3 wallet. So because I want to make it easier for me to connect my wallet and start using it and buy the CLI node. So let's click on connect wallet. So let's choose for browser wallet, which is multi-chain. So I need to authorize. So everything related to this video, so I will try to explain it like step by step. So don't forget to watch the video from beginning to end so that you may not miss any update. So let's go direct. So as you can see, we have like successfully connected our wallet, which is like here is our login. So let's go and direct. Let's go and deploy the LayerEdge CLI. So let's click on deploy. So when you click on deploy, so you will see like some coupon code that you can use so that you have a reduction of 5% of the total amount that you are going to pay. So already they have selected me this one. So let's click on deploy. Why not? So sending transaction, as you can see. So here is like a site that you are going to pay the exact amount that you are going to like pay to for your CLI node. So the decision is yours. Which blockchain or which token are you going to pay the token for them? So let's click on me. I wish to use Polygon, so let's click on Polygon. So under Polygon, you are the one that you will decide it, like was it USDT or exact Polygon that you are going to set it for them. So me, I wish to send a Polygon, so let's click on it. So as you can see, I have to pay for like 21.99 Matic. So let's click on connect wallet. So let's click on MetaMask. My wallet is EVM. So I need to pay 21.97 Matic. So let's click on authorize. Confirm. So the transaction has been successfully sent. Now they are verifying the transaction. Like if they receive the token, definitely they are going to verify it. So as you can see, that they have successfully verifying it. I have successfully buying a LayerEdge node for CLI. So here is the notification that I get from my wallet, which is like I have been deducted 21.97 fall, which is Matic. So here it is. Here is how it goes. So since we have successfully buying a LayerEdge CLI, so we need to come for this section, which is like this 3 icon. So let's click on it. So when you click on it, you have like several options that you need to select on. So just come for this like active node. In this section, active node. So I will click on it. So when you click on it, every active node that you have, definitely you are going to see it there. So let's click on this icon, this section, just this 3 dots. So I need to copy like this ID and go and deploy it for my LayerEdge testnet. So let's click on copy. Let's click on copy. So I have successfully copied it. So since the LayerEdge CLI was having a problem like they posted it in their Twitter handle. So I don't know like whether it are going to working. So let's go and try. So if it's not work, so definitely I should provide a video like how to link it so that the CLI will start running and not for you. So let's go together. So as you can see, here is the interface of my LayerEdge testnet, which you can see like here is the CLI verse not point. So all you need to do is to, which is for you to link the CLI successfully. So all you need to do is to come and just click on this link wallet. So let's go together. So we need to authorize it. So click on signature. So as I have thought, right now we have a problem for the CLI base not point linking. So since we have a problem for linking CLI, so definitely I promise to provide it like when the CLI verse node is going successfully without wasting time. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.